Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install the license plate for the 4Runner. So I just received the license plate today, and you might be asking, why am I making a video installing the license plate? It should be very easy, right? Yeah, so on my 4Runner, I requested uh, the dealership not to drill or put the bracket in the front of the bumper. So I don't want them to drill it. So I want to make basically to relocate it. So that's what we're doing. So in the front of the bumper, there's some dimples in there where the bracket should go for the license plate. But again, I requested them not to drill it. So come on, I'll show you what or how am I going to install the front license plate without drilling it. All right, let's go. Okay, so here are the two dimples in here. I don't know if the camera can pick that, if it focus right. Yeah, so but there's two in there, and I'm planning to install the license plate on this side. On this side here. Yeah, probably there. Yeah. So I'll show you how am I gonna install this, again, without drilling. Okay, so here are the nuts and bolts and washer that you're gonna need. So I'll be using stainless steel just to avoid corrosion. So 1/4 by 2.5, and then the washers, yeah, and then I have some toggle bolts in here. Well, I'm gonna use the butterfly from the toggle bolt, so I'm gonna use that to place in here, and that will hold it on the grill. All right, so if you haven't seen my previous video on the relocating the license plate on my CHR, it's basically the same process but with shorter bolts. All right, so I'll show you how will I assemble this. Okay, so here's how it's assembled. So I got the bolt basically, then the washer. Okay, I put a nut in here just to avoid the washer from moving around, and then the butterfly from the toggle bolt, and then I put a nylon lock nut in here, and I just place it in there just for security, just in case it get loose from vibration. This will not fall off. All right, I never had issues on my CHR before. Even I did not put this nylon lock washer or lock nut in there, but yeah, so just put both basically, which I'm gonna do before placing it in place, okay, because you'll have hard time assembling the other one if you install it first. All right, so let's complete it, then we're gonna go in the car. Okay, so we're gonna install it now. A little change of plans on the stuff that I use. So the washer at the back, I use a little bigger one. So these are 1.5 inches. Yeah. Then I just put washers, the small washers in the front, just to avoid the bolt head eating the license plate. All right, so now we're gonna insert this. And also I did not use the lock nuts anymore. So we're just gonna push this in here. Okay. Okay, so temporarily tighten this and then work on the other side here. need to put it on a vertical position. Okay, so just tighten it until it grabs the back of the grill. Yep. I think this will be tight enough, I guess. Yeah, so that's it. Basically, this is tight already, and I don't have to drill on my bumper. I used this rubber frame. I got it from Amazon, so I'll put the link in the description below. It's cheap, really. I got it in the back also. So yeah, so that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Enjoy!